How to fix the multiple devices issue on Play Store, quick and easy guide. Hey everyone, this is Max, and welcome back to another step-by-step tutorial. If you're facing issues with multiple devices on the Play Store, don't worry, I've got you covered. Make sure to watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser. 2, in the search bar, type Google Play Store and hit search. 3, click on the first website that appears. For now, long press the website link and choose Open in a new tab. 5, switch to the new tab and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. 6, from the menu, select Library and Devices. 7, under the Library section, scroll to the right and tap on Devices. 8, again, scroll to the right and look for any old or unused devices linked to your account. 9, deselect the ones you don't use anymore. Finally, go back to the Play Store, and your issue should be resolved. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your Play Store device list. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. See you in the next video.